Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a clock out of a box. First, let's gather everything you will need for this fun project. You'll want a sturdy cardboard box, perhaps 10 by 10 inches, along with a clock mechanism kit. Don't forget your craft knife, a ruler, and some strong glue. Also, grab decorative items like paint or colorful paper to personalize your clock. Now let's prepare the clock face. Carefully cut one flat side of your box, aiming for a smooth, even surface. Find the precise center of this piece and mark it. Then, use your craft knife to create a small hole, about 1/4 inch in diameter, for the clock mechanism's shaft. This is also a great time to decorate your clock face with paint, markers, or decorative paper. Next, we will install the clock movement. Push the clock mechanism's shaft through the hole from the back of your prepared clock face. Secure it tightly on the front with the washer and nut provided in your kit. Carefully attach the hour, minute, and second hands onto the shaft, ensuring they are parallel and can move freely without any obstruction. This step is crucial for accurate timekeeping. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and test your new clock. Affix numbers or hour markers to your clock face using stencils, stickers, or even hand-drawn designs. Insert one AA battery into the mechanism's compartment. Set the correct time by turning the small dial on the back. Now, find the perfect spot to display your unique, handmade clock and enjoy your creative accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.